You're looking for a pine wood mat for your bathroom. An extra large mat for different types of colors and tiles to place on to protect the floor, stepping out of a shower, and more. And what we're going to do is briefly show you what this product is about. It's a wooden mat made of pine wood with 3 reinforced elastics, and in between are plastic little caps with screws and grommets that grip the floor from sliding. It allows the unit to stay in place. Pine wood protects the floor. Water goes through the floor onto the pine wood, and your mat opened up and adjusted, making sure everything is flat to the floor. Your reinforced elastic cord, 3 of them, and your spacing. It's for a flat 90-degree floor and not sloped floors. As we unravel the mat, you can see how it stretches. From the providers, Tricely is an extra large pine wood handcrafted mat with 3 elastic reinforced straps. When taking off shoes from outdoor, protecting the floor from water.